Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing a pre-poo that can help our hair get healthy, strong and moisturized. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I will boil some water. Once my water is ready, I'm going to do the double boiler thing. My first ingredient for today's pre-poo is coconut oil. I love coconut oil, so this is what I decided to use today. But if you have a different oil that you like, you can always use that. Now I'm going to pour some of my coconut oil. If I have to measure, I would say about 2 spoons. Now I'm going to use coconut milk. Coconut milk is high in protein, lauric acid, vitamin C, E, vitamin B1, B3, B5, all those good vitamins that can help our hair get healthy, strong and moisturized. So now after I open it, I'm going to pour it, mix it with my coconut oil and let it simmer for a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family or anyone you know. Next, I will add 1 spoon of vitamin E. I know the coconut milk already have vitamin E in it, but adding extra vitamin E will not hurt. Then I'm going to mix it with my coconut milk and coconut oil and let it simmer for a few minutes. Let me know in the comment below if you have used coconut milk on your hair before and how do you like it. After 5 to 10 minutes, I will transfer it into a measurable cup and let it sit for a few minutes just to cool off a little bit, but not too much because I want to be able to use it when it's warm. Now I'm going to transfer this into my applicator bottle before I use it. I got this applicator bottle on Amazon. If I remember, I will put the link down below. Now I'm going to put it on my daughter's hair. After putting it all over her hair, I will let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. Now it's time to rinse this pre-poo out and continue with our regular wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you will be trying this pre-poo. If you do, let me know in the comment below. Thank you again for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye!